Hello my friends. I'm going to be using up some paint from that last strange pour I did, the gray one that I kind of loved, hated. So I've used up the white, so I don't have any of that left, so there's no milk paint here. Just have black, gold, wine, and then I needed something lighter, so I mixed some white into and added a bit of the wine color there, so I have two shades of pink, black, and gold. And I'm planning to do a ring and ribbon, or ring and drizzle pour on this little hexagon. So here we go. I will put the pouring medium, I'm going to pour all that gold in there. I don't have much left. I'll put the pouring medium in the exact colors below in the comments. This is the Hodges pouring medium, and this is the only mix I've found besides the Artist Loft Ready Mix, and I've done a lot of those videos that hold the shape for this technique of the ring and then the drizzle. I've tried it with lots of other different pouring mediums and just can't get the same effect, so I'm very pleased with this. I mean, you get ring pours with just about anything, but not the drizzle the way I do it, the look I like to get. I haven't found anything else that holds the ribbon shape nice and crisp like this does. Oh, I should have saved a little bit of it. I might have enough left. Let's see. I'm going to go like this while I'm pouring and see if I can't dribble one into the other cup there, so when I need it, it'll be ready. Prop it up. There we go. Okay, and here we go. Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to do ring. It's very windy out. Can you hear that wind? It's like 25 miles an hour today. So there's a lot of peripheral noise with my blinds bouncing around and noise from outside, but I have the window open because I'm using that mix with the polycrylic. And you have to have ventilation. Okay, so I felt I needed to pour out the whole cup rather than reserve any of it for the drizzle in order to get good coverage on this canvas. I needed at least that much, I think. Hopefully I'll be able to do the drizzle with what I have reserved. I'll do the same thing with the, so now I've got some pink and wine color, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the black. Okay, here we go. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that dark gold. I like to tilt and cover the canvas completely before I do the drizzle, otherwise they get so misshapen that, I mean, I've done both. It's okay, but I think I prefer doing the drizzle after I've finished with all the tilting. Just need to get this tiny little edge done, corner. Okay, and now hopefully I have enough paint on the surface to get this area. Okay, getting there. It's tricky covering up a hexagon shape. I love the shape though, it's quite fun. Okay, this is a little ugly over here. I'm going to tilt. It's not bad, but I'll just move it a little bit. All right, I think that's sufficient. And now for the drizzle. So when I do a drizzle, I kind of practice in my mind or in the air, very graceful movements across kind of where I want it to go. If I want it to cover up an ugly area of the pour or a plain area. Wow, this is kind of fun here. It looks like a shadow underneath there. I like that. Yeah, I don't know. There's no particularly bad areas, nothing super exciting either. So this will liven it up a bit. So here we go. Here we go. I should have done that just the opposite. I should have turned the canvas and started over here with the dark, because that kind of disappeared on there. I knew that. That's why I hesitated before I did it, and I didn't do it. I'm going to kind of mimic that same thing. I have a lot of pink in here. That's the problem. Let me see if I can scrape some more black into there. Not really. It pretty much all came out already. Well, this is what I have to work with. It's okay. I'm going to kind of crisscross that. big oval there. Okay, one more drizzle. I'm going to come across this way. Should probably stop, shouldn't I? Because it's just so pink. But do you see how nice those lines are? I mean, they're nice and crisp. Now, if I were to move it, of course, they would get all distorted. But they're going to hold their shape, and that's what's really nice about this pouring medium. It's not going to change much. I mean, it'll settle in a little bit, but for the most part, those lines are going to stay where I placed them. Okay, well, it's not bad for leftover paint. And people always seem to be interested in the drizzle, so I'm happy to demonstrate it. Okay, folks. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.